where people on East look like Chinese, people on West look like Arab, people on North look like maybe white, and people in South look like Africa.
शहजादे, आपको जवाब देना पड़ेगा। चमड़ी के रंग के आधार पर मेरे देशवासियों का अपमान मेरा देश सहन नहीं करेगा और मोदी तो कतई नहीं करेगा।
Sam Pitroda has been a child of controversy. Many of his comments have not actually helped the Congress party, and despite being pulled up by the party, it hasn't clearly made him keep quiet. I remember the first comment that he made, which stoked a lot of controversy, was about the 1984 Sikh riots when he said "Hua to hua." At that point of time, at a press conference, Rahul Gandhi said that Sam Pitroda must keep quiet. He must also apologize. Now, recently, he stoked controversy when he spoke about an American-style inheritance tax. That's also not gone down very well. And again, the Congress party's Jairam Ramesh had issued a statement to say that he must retract. His views are not that of the Congress. But what he has now said is even worse. You know, the India front of the Congress party has always projected itself as a party which believes that everyone is equal. No discrimination is going to be made on the basis of religion or caste or color. But Sam Pitroda just does that. He said that while he was trying to talk about unity and diversity, he said that the people in the Northeast look like Chinese, those down south look like Africans, and so on and so forth. Now, there are multiple problems over here. The one biggest problem is that he is putting it into a box. He is kind of using a cliched notion, and as we all know, the Northeast leaders and the people over there, they've often felt that they have been sidelined and not in the mainstream. This is one instance when they feel that, you know, this is a comment coming in from the Congress party, where the Northeast, in Northeast, the Congress has lost its grip, just alienates them further. And that's why it's not very surprising that they have been strong outrage and strong comments which have come in. Again, when you use color and say that people down south look like Africans, of course a reference is being made to a dark skin. Again, that has not gone down well, considering that Rahul Gandhi is a member of parliament from a southern state. Telangana, Andhra Pradesh elections are there, and the Congress is much, much stronger as far as southern India than in North India is concerned. Of course, realizing that this is a problem, the Congress was once again quick to issue a clarification. Jairam Ramesh issued a statement by saying that his points of view is very, very unfortunate, and the Congress does not subscribe to it, and he must apologize. But what do you do about a repeated offender? If you made a comment only once, you can get away with it. But when you make a similar kind of a comment repeatedly, the damage is done. And therefore, it's not surprising that the BJP, the Prime Minister, all of them have jumped up to this issue, making the point that Sam Pitroda's comments is very much like that of Rahul Gandhi, because Rahul Gandhi had once publicly said that Sam Pitroda is my mentor. In fact, the Prime Minister, while he is campaigning down south, he is saying that this is a mindset which is very unfortunate, where chamdi ka rang, or the color of the skin, is becoming a topic where the Congress party's mentor, Rahul Gandhi's closest aide, has made the point. Don't think this issue will go down in a hurry. This is something which the BJP will keep on making an issue about, and once more faux pas or a gift, a slip of tongue, if one may call it, has come up to damage the Congress in the last few critical phases of Lok Sabha elections.